All right, Skill Squad, real talk. Have you ever rolled out of bed, left the covers in a twisted mess, and just started your day like that? Trust me, I've been there. But here's the thing. Making your bed isn't just some grown-up chore. They're not just nagging you for no reason. It actually sets the tone for your whole day. So let me show you how to make your bed like a total boss, give you some quick hacks, and spill the tea on why this tiny task is a game changer. Let's do it. Step 1. Yank everything off. Blanket, sheets, pillows, just pull them off. You don't have to launch them across the room. But hey, if that gets you moving, I'm not stopping you. Step 2. Straighten out that fitted sheet. You know, the one with the elastic that always tries to escape. Make it snug and smooth so you're not sleeping on a lump later. Step 3. Grab your top sheet, if you use one. Lay it flat, pull it up even, and tuck the bottom edge under the mattress. Hospital corners. Only if you're feeling extra fancy. Otherwise, a quick tuck does the trick. Step 4. Blanket or comforter time. Lay it on top, smooth it out from the center, and make sure both sides look even. Step 5. Pillows. Fluff them up, stack or line them up. Go simple, or throw on an extra pillow if you're feeling aesthetic. Need hacks? I got you. First, ditch the top sheet and just use a fitted sheet with a comforter. Less to fix. Second, use a duvet cover with ties inside so your blanket doesn't slide around like it's got places to be. And third, make your bed the second you get up. Don't even let yourself think about skipping it. Now, here's the real reason this matters. Making your bed gives you your first win of the day. You already accomplished something before your brain's even done buffering. Your room looks cleaner instantly, even if you've got laundry piles on the floor, and it helps you feel a little more in control, even when life is totally chaotic. Get this: studies show people who make their beds are more productive, more organized, and even sleep better at night. Coincidence? I don't think so. So next time you're tempted to leave your bed looking like a tornado hit it, remember? You're just 60 seconds away from feeling a little more put together. Make your bed like a boss. It's not about being perfect, it's about starting your day like you actually care about you. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your morning routine look like? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow, because I'm dropping new life skills for teens every weekday. See you tomorrow.